Afternoon, Pottinger class. We finished attributes of two-dimensional shapes, which is lesson 2 of chapter 6. Can you identify and define 2D shapes and their parts?
Yes.
All right, closed shape and open shape, and I'm going to talk about them. You guys can figure out what they are. You know what they are just based on their name. Polygon. Polygon is what kind of shape?
Closed shape.
What does it have?
Line segments.
They cannot what?
Cross each other.
If you have a polygon such as this one, and it is caved in or has a dent, what do we call that? If you have a polygon such as this one, and it has some parts that are sticking out, what do we call that? What if it's just a regular old polygon? It doesn't have anything sticking out or caving in. What do we call that? No. Remember, nothing caved in or nothing sticking out is still convex, right? Okay, be careful. Those are two different attributes of a convex or of a polygon, a convex polygon. What does this mean when you have these marks? Oh, try that again. What does that mean when you have these marks? It means congruent. They're congruent markers, right? And it tells me that this side, and this side, and this side are all what? Same measurement. What does this mean?
Right angle.
What does a right angle measure?
90 degrees.
So if you have a right angle and all four corners, are all four corners 90 degrees?
Yes.
Except for, now this is a triangle, but it doesn't have a right angle marker, but it has these angle markers, which we also call congruent markers, right?
Yes.
What is it telling me about this part, and this part of the triangle? They're the same. The angle measurements are the same, right?
Yeah.
What does congruent mean again?
Same.
I'm going to skip down here. I'm going to skip down here. Oh, what are these lines? What do these lines mean? So this trapezoid has parallel markers, and it's telling us that these two lines will never what?
Touch.
They'll never touch because they're parallel, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. If a shape has 3 sides, what do we call that?
Triangle.
What does tri mean?
3.
If a shape has 4 sides, what do we call that?
Quadrilateral.
What does quad mean?
4.
If a shape has 8 sides, what do we call that?
Octagon.
What does oct mean?
8.
So the name of a polygon oftentimes will tell you the number of sides it has.
Yes.
So hex must mean 6 because a hexagon has 6 sides, right?
Yes.
Cool. And what does gon mean again?
Side.
Number of sides, right? Down here, this shape can be described by all these words, can't it?
Yes.
It's a pentagon, it's concave, it's closed, it's an irregular polygon. This shape, using its congruent markers and angle congruent markers, can all help us describe the attributes of that as well, right?
Yes.
We cool?